हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विथ उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर दें जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है मैटर एंड इट्स स्टेट, जो कि केमिस्ट्री का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, जिसके हम 50 MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द लेटेस्ट डिस्कवर स्टेट ऑफ मैटर इज, एंड द आंसर इज Bose-Einstein condensate. Second question, which law was formulated in 1662 and concluded that the product of pressure and volume remains almost constant? And the answer is Boyle's law. Third question, what is the measure of relative clarity of a liquid? And the answer is turbidity. Fourth question, matter around us can exist in 3 different stages, namely solid, liquid and gas. The correct order of their compressibility is, and the answer is solid, liquid, gas. Fifth question, a molecule of a substance is similar to its atom for, and the answer is monoatomic molecule. Sixth question, which one of the following is monoatomic? And the answer is helium. Seventh question, which one of the following is not a monoatomic element? And the answer is iodine. Eighth question, following properties will decrease with increase in temperature except, and the answer is vapor pressure. Ninth question, a mixture of water and alcohol can be separated by, and the answer is distillation. 10th question, the absolute zero, that is temperature below which is not achievable, is about, and the answer is minus 273 degrees Celsius. 11th question, a student by chance mixed acetone with alcohol. The mixture of acetone and alcohol can be separated by, and the answer is fractional distillation. 12th question, why do 2 ice blocks join to form one block when pressed together? And the answer is melting point of ice is lowered with increase in pressure. 13th question, the proportion equals volume of different gases contain equal number of molecules at the same temperature and pressure is known as, and the answer is Avogadro's hypothesis. 14th question, unit of viscosity is, and the answer is poise. 15th question, in general equation PV equal to nRT, V is the volume of, and the answer is n mole of a gas. 16th question, which of the following has the lowest melting point? And the answer is tin. 17th question, which chemical law processes that soft drink and soda bottles are sealed under high pressure to increase the solubility of CO2? And the answer is Henry's law. 18th question, which one of the following is an example of a gel? And the answer is cheese. 19th question, what are homogeneous mixtures of 2 or more components? And the answer is solutions. 20th question, which of the following is a supercooled liquid? And the answer is glass. 21st question, smoke is formed due to, and the answer is solid dispersed in gas. 22nd question, the joint process of vaporization and condensation is called, and the answer is distillation. 23rd question, A substance which readily form colloidal solution in contact with water is called, and the answer is hydrophilic colloid. 24th question. When pure water boils vigorously, the bubbles that rise to the surface are composed primarily of, and the answer is water vapor. 25th question. Creation of something from nothing is against the law of, and the answer is conservation of mass energy. 26th question. Which of the following gases will have the highest rate of diffusion? And the answer is NH3. 27th question. The temperature of a place on one sunny day is 103 in Fahrenheit scale. The Kelvin scale reading of this temperature will be, and the answer is 118 Kelvin. 28th question. Which one of the following is used as an antifreezer which effectively depresses the freezing point of water in an automobile? And the answer is ethylene glycol. 29th question. When a gas is compressed at constant temperature, and the answer is the coalescence between the molecules increase. 30th question. Air at sea level is found to be dense. This is in accordance with, and the answer is Boyle's law. 31st question. 30 degrees Celsius is equal to Kelvin approximately, and the answer is 303. 32nd question. The gas used in a refrigerator is, and the answer is cool down when expanded. 33rd question. Glasses and plastics are, and the answer is both option A and B, that is amorphous solids and supercooled liquids. 34th question. Which one of the following is not true for the form of carbon known as diamond? And the answer is it is a better electric conductor than graphite. 35th question. The process of change from liquid to gas is called, and the answer is vaporization. 36th question. Amorphous materials are in fact considered as, and the answer is supercooled liquids. 37th question. Name the law in physics which states that equal volume of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. And the answer is Avogadro's law. 38th question. At very low temperature, oxygen O2 freezes and form a crystalline solid. Which term best describes these solids? And the answer is molecular crystals. 39th question. The mass of water vapor per unit of volume of air is known as, and the answer is absolute humidity. 40th question. Silica in amorphous form is used in, and the answer is photovoltaic cell. 41st question. The substance which does not expand on going from liquid state to solid state is, and the answer is type metal. 42nd question. At absolute zero, which one of the following is zero for a gas? And the answer is kinetic energy. 43rd question. Very small insoluble particles in a liquid may be separated it by using, and the answer is decantation. 44th question. Lowering the atmospheric pressure on a liquid, and the answer is lowers the boiling point of the liquid. 45th question. Quartz is extensively used as a piezoelectric material. It contains, and the answer is Si. 46th question, an ideal gas is one which obeys, and the answer is gas law. 47th question, which one of the following could be the melting point of iron? And the answer is 1500 degrees Celsius. 48th question, ammonia obtained from different sources always has same proportion of nitrogen and hydrogen. It proves the validity of law of, and the answer is constant proportion. 49th question, seawater can be purified by the process of, and the answer is distillation. And the last 50th question, milk is an, and the answer is emulsion. तो ये थे मैटर एंड स्टेट्स के टॉप 50 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है क्वार्ट्ज इज अ क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म ऑफ। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।